Hey everybody, Steven here, back with Cannin.com, and we're here for another technical analysis. This week we're looking back at a company that we analyzed almost 15 months ago. This is Harvest Health and Recreation. Let's jump over to the pricing chart now. So you can see HRVSF is the OTC ticker, Harvest Health and Recreation. You can see we're about $2 in the beginning of 2021. They had a great start of the year, a great first quarter, doubling up to $4. And then I've given about $1 of that back, currently trading right around $3.15. We're looking at the daily lines here of moving averages, which we've looked at many times. The short period is the red, the medium period is the green, and the long period is the blue. And you can see signs of strength. We have our short-term periods above our medium term, above our long term. That's definitely a bullish signal. Now what's happening more recently, we're seeing our short-term signal get really close, and we're anticipating a cross below the medium-term signal here, the green line. That's going to actually be a bearish signal. So watch that. It's not as strong of a bearish signal as it would be if the red line crossed the blue line, the long-term average. That would be an extremely strong bearish signal, but we are getting a middle strength bear signal about to happen here from the moving averages. Also looking at the commodity channel index, during this pricing increase from early January all the way through February, we were in a above territory here, above 100 for almost this entire period. We did come down 11th of February, really the 22nd of February, the end of February, we started to lose a lot of that. And then in March, we've spent a lot of time at or below the minus 100 level here. Currently, trading at minus 71, so definitely some signs of weakness here on the CCI. Similar story on the relative strength index, the RSI. Lots of January, all the way, almost the entire month of January above 70. We then saw early parts of February above 70. Almost the same time period. Look, on the 19th and 22nd over the weekend, both the CCI and the RSI really crossed back down into normal territory. The CCI did dip below the lower boundary. The RSI, we haven't seen that yet. It's not doing that yet. Currently at 42.9, so almost no indication. If anything, slightly weak here. Definitely weak on the CCI. Anticipating a little bit of weakness here on the short-term moving average. It could bounce, but we're kind of anticipating it coming down and crossing over the medium-term moving average. So we're going to anticipate a little bit of weakness here, short-term weakness here on the pricing chart analysis for Harvest Health. Take note that the earnings is estimated on the 30th of March, the end of the month. Typically, the earnings are going to screw up a lot of the charting, a lot of the technical analysis, given its fundamental nature. So if we are anticipating this, let's be very cautious about making any trades before this earnings comes out. If this comes out and it's weak, we can see our estimate is minus 0.02. If it's weaker than that, you can anticipate the weakness of the technical analysis to really be exacerbated and to see some quick losses there. So definitely a well-timed analysis here. Keep a watch on the 30th of March when this earnings is announced, and watch for some short-term weakness here with Harvest Health. Thank you, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions or companies that you'd like us to take a look at.